present on my channel. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for my 4 million viewers. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much. Good morning here in the Philippines. Good afternoon in another country. Good afternoon, good evening. Thank you so much. Mega love shout out everyone. Mega love shout out. Thank you guys for coming on my live stream. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for my 6 million viewers, my 6 million visitor in my house. Mega love shout out everyone. Mega love shout out. Please drop your videos and I watch your for your WE. Thank you so much. Please drop your link, drop your video, and I go to your channel and I play your video for my WH. Mega love shout out everyone. Thank you so much. Mag-drop lang po kayo guys ng inyong mga link at pupuntahan ko ang inyong video para sa inyong WH. Drop your link, drop your videos. Please drop your videos and pupuntahan ko po ang inyong inyong channel para i-play ko po. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much for my 7 million viewers. Mega love shout out po. And thank you for your like, thumbs up, thumbs love. Thank you so much. Drop lang kayo guys ng inyong mga video guys. Mga link ng video nyo guys at pupuntahan ko ang inyong mga bahay. Thank you so much sa aking 10 million viewers. Thank you so much sa aking 10 bisita na sa aking bahay. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. Mega love shout out guys. Thank you so much. Thank you guys sa aking 14 million viewers. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa nag-share sa aking live. Thank you so much. Mega love shoutout po. Mega love shoutout everyone. Drop lang kayo guys ng inyong drop lang kayo ng link ng inyong video at pupuntahan ko ang inyong bahay, ang inyong channel. Please drop your video link and I play your video for your WH. Mega love shoutout po. Thank you so much for my 8 million viewers. Thank you so much guys sa aking sa aking bisita. Mag-drop lang kayo guys ng inyong video at pupuntahan ko pang inyong bahay. Salamat po. Mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat nandyan. Thank you guys sa inyong pagbisita sa aking bahay. Mega love shoutout sa aking 11 million na bisita. Good morning.